Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the password file in Sqoop. So earlier we did import without the password file. Directly we have mentioned the password on this Sqoop command, and in this video what we are going to do, we are going to import this password as a password file. Okay, so let me get the Sqoop command from here. You can see in the last video we have given the password like this. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do, we are going to give this password file here, okay, as a password. So here is the table, again dd table inside my database mkd, and here is the Sqoop command. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me create a password. Okay, so echo -n Cloudera is the password, and we are going to store this password to home, and then Cloudera, and the file name will be db underscore password .txt. okay, so let me ll, you can see cat db, you can see this is the password and without any space. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to run this Sqoop command with this password. So we have already given the Sqoop command there, and let me modify that. You have to give Sqoop import, okay, and root password. I have to modify target directory, and this password as a password file, and then file colon 1 2 3, and then here, okay, txt. Let me remove this one also. Okay, so let me run this Sqoop command, and I have to give in the directory also. The directory will be mkd. Okay, so let me run this one. So you can see it's running, and it may take some time, no issue. It's running, right? And you can see this job is completed. Okay, and now let me check sgfs mkd mixture, and you'll get those file here. Okay, so let me get this one, sgfs dfs -cat. You can see this file is there on dd table. Okay, so this is how you can create a password file and you can do the Sqoop import. Thank you.